What is up guys, so welcome back to another vlog. So we are out again at Sunday service today, same like in our last video, and it seems like we came just in time because it seems like the Limbo is starting now. So let's see what action we can get for you guys. Kan this thing go down? That's window. Okay, so as you saw in the video, we were in the Limbo with Limbo, and then we got the last of the cars. So I'm gonna do a quick walk around with the cars that are here, and we start off here with Gilroy's E90 bag. As I showed you last time, it's got a wheel seater that you don't see often in PE, and actually also in South Africa. Sitting nice all around on E90. Okay, so over here we got a Polo. I'm not too sure if this Polo is new in the scene. I haven't seen it much. But the reason why it caught my attention is look at the wheels. If I'm not mistaken, that is a Polo Max wheel that is got a step-up front and back. Looking very, very nice. And then over there, this is what I would call a Josie spec or Pretoria spec Polo. Bagged, nice set of wheels. I'm not sure on the name, but whenever you're watching the Josie guys, that's the wheels that they got on.
Like go yo, G-Wagon or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my dirty on go. Drop the ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on these niggas no more. I've been in fiends, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, baby? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, man.
Okay, so over here we're gonna stop by the guys that we always have on the channel. Got Whitley in his Polo, Kenny in his Polo. I don't know all the numbers of the VWs, the numbers and the codes, and then we got Enrico with the Smurfy. So I wanted to stop here by Kenny. Kenny's whole sound system takes up his back seat. Kenny deleted the whole rear seat to put speakers in, and then on top the air setup.
I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my dirty on go. Drop the ass to the floor.
Are you surprised? Why is that so why is that so mind-blowing?
POV. What do you say is happening? Wait, Whitley, explain what's happening here. What is it? But what happened? Tell us what happened.
Can't explain.
So you say A is not the way?
Huh? Yeah, my brothers.